Are you videoing? So this is 1305 East 41st Street. This is a little different than we normally do. It doesn't have the hoarder qualities and junkiness like a lot of them do. It is a 3-1, 1,142 square feet. Lots of charm, lots of character, new metal siding. Take you inside and show you around. This one's in great shape. Original hardwood floors. We're going to refinish. We've already got plants growing inside. Bringing that indoor outdoor feel in. This was an investor who just gave up and said, y'all can have it. So we got the big trim, tall ceilings, all new kitchen. Gonna have all new cabinets, refinish the hardwood floors in here. Not used to seeing them this clean. Bathroom is semi-finished. I think we're gonna do some touch-up work to the tile. You're gonna put new tile floors in, right?
Yeah, new tile floors in here. We're gonna reuse this vanity.
New light fixtures.
Yeah, hardware.
New hardware.
Clean up the tile work a little bit.
So this is bedroom number 1. This is probably the bigger of the two, I think.
Yeah. Oh, and this house has the previous investor saved all the old doorknobs. So we're gonna try to reuse.
Polish up the brass. Clean up the doorknobs. And the other bedroom, again with the tall ceilings, the big trim, like you see in a lot of these historic homes. Love it when we get to keep all this character. And then the addition is back here. So we'll do a new door, lots of new drywall, new window, all new flooring. This will be the closet, laundry. Got a new tankless hot water heater already in, which we never see that. And I guess we can show them the back. So we got a new deck. We're going to put new rails on, new steps, clean up the landscaping. It's got a new fence. The garage is in great shape. I think you're going to paint the trim everywhere that's white. You're going to paint.
So yeah, so usually I wouldn't paint a house this dark of a blue, but budget's kind of tight. So I think we're gonna paint the trim in the windows super light green, which kind of sounds crazy, but
Yeah. So, yeah, in a great area, a stone's throw from the Savannah Bananas. Daffin Park's just right over there. So it's going to be a cute one. I guess that's it.